Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today we're going to work on some embellishments and hopefully I could get them done on time for Crafting with Liller's challenge, her birthday challenge. And what I'm going to use are some pickup pair cards from Dollar Tree. And this one is the mermaid theme. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use. And I already popped one out. So that's what this looks like. It's some with just the fish. It's a castle. Look at this one, so cute. She's green. Then you got more fish and crabs and more fish. So yeah, that's what we're gonna work on, and we can see how much we can get done. All right. Okay, so we got our two shaker embellishments, and I think all I have to do is cover the back to make them pretty, and we should be good. About 2 1/4, or yeah, a little bit longer. Let's see what we got. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger than 2 1/4. Let's see. Oh, that's good. That looks good. Okay. This is also from Sunny Days. So, let me see. Sorry, I didn't realize my tablet is so loud. So I think what I will do is sign the back of this because, oops, because once I put it on the shaker, I won't be able. Purple pen doesn't match anything, but that's okay. I'm just gonna sign this. Just like that. I'm gonna sign this here. Yeah, just like that. Alrighty. Now I just gotta make sure it's facing the right direction. And I'm going to cover this up. I love that this blue trim is so like fluffy, like seaweed. I don't know, I just like it. Okay, good luck. And it's not very flat because of the trim that I'm put on here. That's okay. I just want it covered up. Trim this part. I think I will trim this part. Okay, there we go. And that is our mermaid shaker. I'll put this on this one. Okay. Try to work really fast with hot glue. This one's not really lined up. That's okay. Keyword, handmade. And I will trim these also, just to keep it a little organized. There we go. There we go. So one is on the sides. Okay. This one is a little too much. I mean, I think they're both a little too much. There we go. And that's what it looks like on the back. Okay. It's a little chunky monkey. But that's our 2 embellishment shakers. On to the next one.